The sort method sorts an array by manipulating the array. The default sort order is ascending, which converts elements of an array into strings and then compares their sequences of UTF-16 code unit values. Another thing is the sort method modifies the original array. So let us sort the cities array in ascending order. To do that, say cities dot sort, and I'll console log the modified cities. So if I run it, you can see that the cities array is now in ascending order. So we have a numbers array. I'll just put in some random numbers. So let us sort these numbers using the default sort method. So if I say numbers dot sort, let me clear the log console dot log numbers. So if you take a look at the results, you can see that the numbers are not sorted in ascending order. This is because the default sort method converted these numbers into strings. So if we want to avoid this, we have to create a compare function and pass it to the sort function. So I'll go on and create the compare function. I'll say compare numbers A and B. So the compare function determines which element comes first. For example, if let's say for this specific array, 5, and then 4, and then 6. So in this case, let's say A is 5 and B is equals to 4. So let's say we have this operation A minus B. If A minus B is less than 0, which means that the order does not change. Yeah, but if A minus B is greater than 0, which means that the order we have to change here. And if A minus B is equal to 0, and then the order does not change. So for example, if A is 5 and B is equals to 4. So if we say A minus 5, meaning that we want to sort our numbers in ascending order. So we get negative, which means 4 comes first. So let's say we want to order our numbers in ascending order, all we need to do is return a minus b. Okay, I'll comment out this code. Numbers dot sort, and I'll pass in the compare numbers. Let me clear, and if I run it, let me console log it, numbers. So if I run it, you can see that now the array is sorted in ascending order. So as I have said, that the sort method modifies the original array. So let's say if I don't want to modify the original array, I have to create a new array. So this is actually good, especially if you are doing functional programming. So cos sorted numbers, which is equals to, I'll use the spread operator here, numbers dot sort, and in the sort I'll pass on the new, I'll pass on the compare numbers. So let me console log the sorted numbers, and I'll also console log the original numbers. If I run it, you can see that the original array is not modified, but we now have a new array. So let's make this a little bit interesting. So I'll clear this code. So I'll create a task interface. So each task will have a priority of type number and a name of type string. So I already have some objects for this task. So let's say that we want to sort this in according to priority from high to low. You can actually pause the video and try to do it yourself. If it sounds difficult, you can follow along. So first I will create a compare function. Sort just by priority. And then I'll say first task of type task, second task of type task. Or I can use the arrow function. So if I want to create, if I want to sort this in descending, I have to do second task dot priority minus first task dot priority. So let us create a new array for the sorted task. New sorted, I would just say sorted tasks, which is equals to, I'll use the spread function task to avoid me checking the original array. Sort, and then I'll I'll pass in the compare function. Okay, I forgot to put return here. Right. So let me console log the sorted tasks log sorted tasks. Okay. If I run it, you can see that it's now ordered according to the priority. Okay, let me comment out this code. So we can also make this a little bit challenging. Okay, let me paste the question here. Question here. So let's say that we want to sort the tasks from with their priority from high to low, but if they have the same priority, we want to use the name of the task. We want to use the name. We want to sort by. We want to sort the tasks by their names alphabetically. So again, guys, you can pause the video and try to do it yourself. If not, I'll get into it. So first, I'll create a compare function. So I'll have the first task here, type task, second task, type task. Have my arrow function. We have to if first task dot priority, if they have the same priority, second task dot priority, then I will return I'll return first task dot name dot log to lowercase. I'll say okay, I can say this const first task name is equals to first task dot to local lowercase const second task dot second task name second task dot name dot to local lowercase, and then I'll say return first task name I will return here first task dot name dot local compare second task dot name, and if they are not equal, I'll just return second task dot priority minus first task dot priority, and cost new sorted task is equals to task dot sort by priority, then console dot log sorted task. So let us run it. So you can see that they are now sorted if they have equal priority. I'll sort them alphabetically. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye for now.